Hello everyone, in this video I am going to teach you how to use format painter with double click. Lot of people try to use double click in format painter but it does not works. So that I have a data on my MS Excel sheet and now I am formatting a specific cell. As you can see, now I am using format painter and apply this formatting to the other cells. If I click one time on format painter, then it will works. But when I am trying to double click on my format painter, it does not works. To removing this error, press Window and R and open Control Panel from here. After opening Control Panel, go down and open mouse, and here in double click speed, slow down the speed and apply it and press OK and close the control panel. Now you can see the results. Now if I double click on format painter, it will works and format as many cells as you can select. Thank you for watching the video.